we have a 2014 Volkswagen Passat TDI, which is diesel, and we are trying to replace the valve cover gasket. The problem we were having is trying to take the glow plugs out. I assume there's a special tool for it, but we did not have it. So we just want to show you how we took them out. Alright, so there's the injectors, or the glow plugs, are right there, and they were so tight that, you know, no matter how we try to take them out, they would not come out. So we used this wire. We just used this wire and a dent puller to pull them out. So this is one way you guys can do it if anybody out there trying to do it. So you go around the injector. So as you can see, they're already loose because we had already taken them out, but you just kind of go around the injector with the wire, which is this is a steel wire, usually used for many different things. And then once you have a dent puller, just kind of tie into it, and that's how we got them out. Alright, so since we got all of them loose, we're gonna go ahead and get them out. Okay, and now the valve cover is what we're trying to replace here. Valve cover gasket. So this is what we have, and we'll be working on the valve cover gasket now. So this is what we used it's mainly like a dent puller, and this wire, it's like steel wire.